5 incredible neurological facts about your gut you shouldn't ignore. 1. Enteric nervous system. The gut has its own independent nervous system called the enteric nervous system, which contains around 100 million neurons. This extensive network of neurons allows the gut to communicate with the brain and regulate various gastrointestinal functions. 2. Gut-brain axis. The gut and the brain are closely connected through a two-way communication system that includes neural, hormonal, and immune pathways. This connection helps the gut relay information about the state of the digestive system to the brain, and vice versa. 3. Neurotransmitter production. The gut is responsible for producing a huge amount of neurotransmitters. GABA, serotonin. These play essential roles in mood regulation, cognition and overall brain function. In fact, around 90% of serotonin is created in the gut. 4. Immune system regulation. The gut houses around 70% of the body's immune cells, and its microbiome plays a critical role in modulating the immune system. Gut health can have a direct impact on the brain's susceptibility to inflammation and other immune-related disorders. 5. Stress response. The gut and the brain are closely linked when it comes to responding to stress. Stress can affect gut function and alter the composition of the gut microbiome, while disturbances in the gut can trigger stress responses in the brain.